What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money answering questions from your phone. If that's ever something that you've been interested in learning how to do, how can I make money without even picking my head up, without putting my phone down? How can I do it? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's actually pretty simple. It's something that not a lot of people know how to do or know even how to get started, but it's absolutely free. It's only going to take your time. So let me show you. So I don't know if you've heard of this website, but it's called Quora.com. Quora.com is simply a questions and answers website. So people come on here, such as myself, and would ask a question. How, why, when, things like that. Okay, just questions. And other people, would come on here and answer those questions. Now, why do people do this? Well, people ask the questions because they want to answer quickly, like that. They want to type in a question and within minutes hopefully have an answer. Maybe it's how to replace the spark plugs on my 2000 Mercury Sable. I don't know. Okay, that could be a question. How to lose weight while pregnant. That could be a question. How to make money through affiliate marketing. Another question. Okay, let me show you this. Here on Quora.com, and the way you make money is you answer questions, but when you answer the question, at the very bottom of the answer, okay, I'm just going to click on one of these, okay? So you look right here, what are the different finance and management consulting freelance websites and what are their respective reputations? This person put a link to a bunch of these different ones, right? So one of the things that they could have done here is if you need additional help, okay, please check out my profile here on Quora. Okay, so someone could come over here and click on the guy's profile and it will pop up right here. Okay, so you see it, blogger and advisor, adamfade.com, how to get wealthy via investing, whatever. There's a link right here, goes to his website. There's another link right here that goes to Amazon, okay, which is 6 Steps to Financial Freedom and FIRE. I have no idea. This may be his exact book. If it is, great. Thumbs up because you did it right. If you look at my profile right here, again, I don't use this very often. I just made it up. I have a link that sends people over to YouTube. That's it. Okay? Make money from home, sends them to YouTube. This one right here, Ross Letterman, he has a link that goes back to a Quora account. Okay? You can see an answer down at the bottom left of my screen. It says, what is a good financial joke about banking industry? Cool. There's another one right here, Josh something. He has a link to solopreneurgrind.com. And my personal favorite, Graham Brown right here. You can see it. He has a link here, and 3 different links down here. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. This is how you make money. Is you get people to, well, people ask questions, and you get people from your question, from the question that they asked, they read your answer, and then you send them to your profile, which is right here, or they can click on your name. Here's how you make money, right? Because this is where I know a lot of people kind of getting hung up on this. The way you make money, for example, let's say I want to promote something like on fitness, on working out, or on losing weight. All you have to do is in your profile, change the links that you have to affiliate links. Let me show you. Let me show you this really quick. So this is called clickbank.com. If you don't know what clickbank.com is, then you need to start learning about it. It's an affiliate network that has a bunch of different programs, a bunch of different products you can promote. So let's say I come down here, health and fitness. All I want to do is find a product, the Flat Belly Fix. That's the one I want. I want to promote that because I want to make $38 per sale. If I were to open this up, the Flat Belly Fix right there, I'm going to go ahead and pause that. I don't need to see it. Okay? Now you can hear, we'll read it. We don't need to watch it. Okay, there it is. Okay, the whole thing, great, awesome, cool. That's gonna make me $38. Okay, $38. Cool. That's what I want to do. So the way you do it, come over to Quora.com, and we want to figure out some questions. Now, the best way to do it is to look right in your feed because you want to answer these questions as soon as possible. Okay, so you come down here, questions for you. How can I start making a lot of money? That was requested 13 minutes ago. What is the value of $1 million? That was done on November 2nd. Let's find some more. Questions for you. No answers yet. It's done last fall 23 minutes ago. Which earning method should one start with on their very first journey in online marketing? How can you get popular on YouTube? Okay, 7 minutes ago. I could answer all these questions and I could say, hey, go over to my profile and you will see kind of the step-by-step process I recommend if you want to become successful online. And then from there, I could say, let's see, I could say, make sure you go follow me over on YouTube. Have a link there. Make sure you check out my course on affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. If you guys seriously want that, that will be down in the description box below. You can go check it out. But that would be another thing. It would be a course. People would buy it. I'd make money from it. Or I could say, go check out, let's see, make money online. Okay, learn how I make money online. Cool, that's the one I want. I'm going to go and I'm going to send people to this page because every time they buy it, I would end up making, don't know what, 70% of whatever it sells for. What's it selling for? This one's actually free. It's $7. So I'd make 70% of that. Not much. Okay? But I'd make some money. Alright? So that's all you do. Is you set up your Quora account with affiliate links, with products that you actually have that you're selling. Maybe people would go follow you over on YouTube like they would do if they clicked on this link. But the way it works is you actually have to answer questions. So as long as you keep updating your feed, okay, come down here and find a question. How do you advertise on your favorite websites? If someone asked it, answer it. Okay. How many products should I start an online store with? Okay. There's 5 answers. We go over here and we could see these are the answers. Do we have a better answer? If we do, write it down. Write it down. Let people know. If they have additional questions, come over to your profile. Okay, come over to your profile and let's connect. They can ask you questions. Okay, and come over here. You can ask them a question directly, which is great, right? That's one way you can start making money. So you're probably wondering, how is this done from my phone? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You look right here, Quora, a place to share knowledge. Quora Inc. right here. Okay, look at all those ratings, reviews, 4.7 star, free app. You can go get it. Go to your iTunes store, go get it. It's, like I said, it's free app. You can come down here and you can start answering questions, driving traffic over to your profile page, and getting people to buy whatever it is you're recommending. In my opinion, I'd recommend affiliate products because that's where anybody can start. It's absolutely free and you can start right now. So let me give you some tips, because just answering questions on Quora is not going to make you money. The first thing you have to do, the very first thing you have to do before you answer any questions, go set up a profile. Go set up the profile. It's easy to do. Just go into Quora.com, click on your profile, badge, link, picture, whatever you want to call it. Click on it, click on profile, and then go and edit your actual profile. A lot of people do not do this. And because of that, they're not getting any traffic, anything from answering the questions. Yes, you can put a link here and there inside your actual Quora response, your answer. But what I've noticed is a lot of people will actually not upvote your answer. And because of that, you're not going to get seen very often. So don't just stuff your answers with affiliate links. Okay? Put inside your answer, if you need additional help on how to lose weight or how to whatever, make sure you check out my profile. Because inside your profile, you can have a bunch of links to different things recommending, how to lose weight, how to build muscle, how to eat healthy, how to meal prep, how to count your macros, all that stuff. Okay, that all pertains to losing weight, being healthier. You can link to all that stuff, and they can all be affiliate links, which is incredible, which is what you need. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. The second thing, the biggest tip that I have for you guys, answer questions. You have to answer questions. I used to do this exact same thing with Yahoo Answers. Okay, and maybe you've seen some of them. I have no idea, but I used to do this probably maybe 5 years ago, longer than that. I would answer questions, maybe 10 years ago. I would answer questions daily. I'd get up in the morning and I'd answer between 10 and 20 questions every single day. And at the bottom, I'd put my website link. Okay, and at that time, I was promoting, I think, like dormroomcash.com. That was the website I had, 10 years ago. Okay, so I would actually do that every single morning. I would answer between 10 and 20 questions, and I would drive traffic to my website, which there I would sell affiliate products, I'd sell ebooks, courses, stuff like that. Okay, and it worked extremely well. But it all stems off of you have to answer the questions that are being asked of you, that asked to you. Okay, the more questions that you can answer, the more potential traffic you're going to drive over to your page, drive through your affiliate links, and make more money. Also, the longer your questions are, or the longer your answers are, the more specific they are, the more detailed, the more keywords you are actually hitting inside your answer. So for example, if you're trying to target how to lose weight, you could write how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight quickly, ways to lose weight overnight, things like that. Those would be keywords that Google would identify. And so anytime somebody writes, how can I lose weight overnight? Maybe Google would send the person over to Quora to see your answer, where they can start, buying whatever it is you're recommending, either through your answer or inside your profile. It's pretty simple. Now, like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is free, but it's going to take a lot of time. It's going to take time. You got to put in the work. Got to start answering the questions. If you do this consistently, you can make money. Again, this is just another free way to get traffic. Is it the best way? No, it's not. It takes a lot of time. But here, and the biggest but, okay? And one of the reasons why I like this, the same reason why I like doing YouTube videos, is simply because when somebody asks a question and you respond with a good answer, that already builds value. That already builds trust, amongst you two, and they've never met you before. Okay, so just like I'm shooting this video, showing you this exact same strategy. If I told you this exact same strategy and said, oh, it's easy, put in 5 minutes of work, you can start making money tomorrow, you may do it, but when the results don't come, you're not going to believe me. Anything else I said, after this would be pointless because you're not going to believe me. Okay, but when you answer a question that's how to lose weight, and you are specific, you're very detailed on how to do it, and somebody goes through each step and does it, loses weight, and they remember, hey, this guy told me exactly what to do. Now, I actually trust this person because they told me the right way. They told me step by step what worked, what didn't. And because of that, they trust you. That's what you need, all right? So hopefully this video kind of helps you out, shows you how you can start making money answering questions right from your phone. So if you have any questions on exactly how to do this, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.